Hello, good morning. If you woke up to this and you have a blue screen of death in your computer and it's July 19th, 2024, it must be because of an update coming from Crowdstrike Security Software for businesses and server computers. It is easy to resolve. I advise that you do these troubleshooting steps only if you own your computer or you own your own server. Because if it's coming from a company, there must be a cascade coming from your own company's technical support. Once you are in the blue screen, you should be able to see an option that says Advanced Options. Click on that, and depending on your version, you'll be able to see this kind of screen. Regardless, just click on Troubleshoot, click on Advanced Options, and then you can choose System Restore if it's there. If it's not, then you have a different version. Just click on Command Prompt, and then from Command Prompt, follow these steps. Once you are in the Command Prompt, make sure that you are in C colon or C drive by typing in C colon and then enter. And then once there, make sure you're in the right folder by typing in cd/windows/system32. cd/windows/system32. Then press enter. Then in there, type in rstrui. That is rstrui. And then press enter. Once the System Restore window comes out, you'd be presented with dates after you click on next. The dates are the dates where changes has been made on your computer, and you can undo those changes. Click on next after choosing a date. And your system would show forth the different programs that would be affected by the System Restore. Crowdstrike should be there. If not, that's okay. Just proceed with a date where you know the computer was functioning properly. Choose one date and then click on next. After clicking on next, click on finish, click on yes, and then it should proceed to restoring the computer to a previous setup. So after it restores, it would take some time, perhaps a minute or 10. It should reboot and you'd be able to log in again to your desktop. I hope this helps.
Well, I think firstly, we have seen this is possibly the greatest outage in history, right? It's quite extensive and it's very much affecting Western countries at the moment. What it seems to be caused by is human error. I guess anyone who's used a computer terminal has had that experience from time to time when the computer does something that you don't expect it to and suddenly you have an outage. What we're seeing is because of one particular security provider, it seems Crowdstrike, which has the world's biggest market share across the countries that are affected for security software solutions. There has been an issue with Crowdstrike deployments across those countries and those companies, and that's what's caused this outage. It's cascaded across to Microsoft.